What's going on, guys? So today we're going to be installing a dual exhaust kit on my 86 GMC C2500. I did ended up going with a pre-bent kit from Summit Racing. The part number is 89007. If it is different, I will change it on the screen now. Also with the kit, I got a few Dynomax mufflers. Now these are the mufflers that they recommend with the Dynomax kit. You can source your own. It has to be 2 1/4 center inlet with a offset outlet, I believe is the correct one for this. It says in the instructions what ones you need. You can look them up if you need to yourself. But basically, that's what I got. 2 of them, one for each bank, left bank, right bank. Not doing a H pipe crossover or X pipe right now. I'll probably do an H pipe in the future, but I just want to get some exhaust or an exhaust system on this thing right now. The kit does come with plenty of hangers as well as U-bolts to bolt the entire system together. Now it does say that you do need your own U-bolts to mount mufflers. I'm just going to weld mine on. I really don't need to bolt them on. I have access to a welder, so I'm going to be welding everything on. I do have headers on this truck. There are long tube headers with a 3-inch collector, so I did have to get this. And these are 3-inch primary to 2 1/4 adapters, and I didn't realize this till I got everything opened up that I screwed up on what I ordered. I should have got the 3-inch to 2.5-inch adapter because my brain was thinking that it needed the 2 1/4 for the pipe, but this end here where it connects to your actual long tube header is 2.5. So when I put it in there, you can see it's a little loose and sloppy, right? But I think I'm just going to run with it. I'm going to put it in there like this, weld all the way around, so that way it's sealed. I don't have to worry about it, and if I ever need to take it off, I obviously have my bolts here. And the kit tells you basically everything that is included with it. Has all your parts here, as well as the bolt sizes on the back as well, or bolt lengths I should say. Then here's your instructions. You can download these right from Summit's website as well if you need to. Here's how they work. Pretty simple. I guess the first thing we're going to do is kind of open everything up, make sure it's all good, everything's there. Looks like I have all the pipes, all the hardware, got my adapters. These Dynomax mufflers, again, they're 2 1/4 center in, offset out. You can go with a Flowmaster equivalent and all that good happy fun stuff as well, or if you have the money, go for a boiler or something cool like that. But these are supposed to be for the kit, I guess, and I already have one loud truck. I don't need another one, so we decided to do something a little quieter on this setup, but kind of a cool box. It has flow direction technology, whatever that is, if you can see it. Claims to have better flow than Flowmaster at 520 CFM versus 435, and the Gibson is 311. I don't know, I mean, it's a muffler. This part number is 17731. Here's that stuff right there as well, as you can see. And this is what the interior is supposed to be looking like, but again, that's not right because this is a center in, offset out. So go ahead and open these up just because I'm curious, see what they look like. Here they are. It's a single little muffler. Nothing pretty, just Dynomax on the side of it. 17731 is the part number again. Yeah, not as pretty as a thrush that's all powder coated, or a stainless steel Borla, but we just want to tame her down a little bit, get rid away from open headers. So I guess the next thing we'll be going on to is welding, or mock-up I should say. So I think the first thing we're going to do is bolt these collector adapters up to the actual headers. That way, if I have them in there, I can just put these pipes, slide them over top. Or, sorry, those pipes right there. Put those right over top of these. So that way, the exhaust sits in there and it's going to kind of give me a little bit of help to hold them up when I go ahead and weld this stuff up, or mock it up first. So I'm going to do that right now. Again, comes with all these bolts. So it looks like we have lock washers, nuts, and bolts. So that's what's going to be going on. Hopefully you guys can see this all right. Got both of them bolted up on both sides. Gaskets in, bolts tightened down. They are 9/16 sized bolts, so you'll need you'll need a 9/16 wrench and socket or impact gun, however you want to do it. I just threw it on my impact with a 9/16 wrench, and they fit perfect. So snugged up, tightened up. That's what they look like. So next we're gonna start putting the pipes on, kind of throwing them on back, and kind of test fit those. All right, so this is the exhaust all finalized and put on. This is on the passenger side. Goes up around the frame rail, by the frame rail. Goes back. There's the muffler installed. Goes all the way back this way, over the axle, and then tailpipe right there. Some of the factory hangers I did use. Some I put some new ones on, so you can see like right there. The kit comes with these rubber hangers, so some of them I used, some of them I used the factory mounts, like in the back there. I used some different ones. There's the driver's side. Has that nice bend to clear your cross member. Goes over around. There's your muffler. Again, there's where I put the hanger right there. Runs around down back that way. Same deal. Goes all the way back to that side out there. So that's it. It's all done. Here it is running. You can hear it. It's pretty quiet. Kind of the way I wanted it. Wanted it to be a little bit quieter than normal, so all done.